Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox and assemble my storage cabinet for bathroom. Yan, see happy. You guys see hubby opening the box.
I'm gonna need your help.
Okay, I'm coming. So what?
Come on.
I gotta pull it?
Pick this end up, yeah, and I want you to pull the.
Wait. You put that first. I cannot take the... I need to take it. Yeah, maybe you need to take into pieces. It's pieces of something.
We'll just lay the pieces to the side. Oh, that's the hardware pack right there.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Here, you gotta cut that string. Here,
Okay.
don't cut yourself. That blade's sharp.
Ooh. Oh, this is the hardware?
Yeah, that's the hardware pack.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to put that right.
Yeah.
It's long, huh?
Yeah.
I thought it's not that long,
It's tall.
but
It's a tall unit, Mark. If you look at the picture, it's tall.
but on the measurement. Oh, okay. You can use this. You can pull the...
Hang on, wait, I'll get the box. Hang on.
Oh, don't do that.
Okay.
Because you see, it will hit the floor. I thought there's no more in there. You can use this to put
Yeah.
oh, there's still something there.
That's why I was shaking it to the
I
front.
know, but you see, there's not cover here, so you may. Okay. Yeah, no more. It's
No more?
It's just styro.
Okay.
Okay. Put this there. Oh, there's no instruction.
Somewhere.
Maybe in that hardware.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
There's nothing here. Or over here. This this wall.
I don't know what that is. I don't see any instructions yet.
Maybe somewhere here in the middle.
Probably.
Wow, I think there's a lot of...
All these packages are lettered.
Oh, here. Yay. need to put this here.
Okay. Let me get my glasses. All right, bring me one of those. Those long pieces. Bring me one of those long pieces. All right, you flip it over like that where the holes are.
Like that? Oh, so you're gonna put that first?
Yeah, both of these need to be done just like I'm doing. I'll give you some of these and you can do that.
Oh, this number 4. Just one piece.
This one. No, it's gotta be this one.
Give me some.
Here, take some.
Oh, so we all gonna put that in the holes?
Yeah. See how it goes?
Oh, where the drawer will? I think you don't need to put there.
So it must be a different size goes there.
Yeah. It's smaller. Oh, you can make it tight, right? You just need to push.
Yeah, you just
You can push it back. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. I need one more. Okay.
you get these two at the bottom like that. All right.
And
All right, then I go in, look. That piece and that piece, where's those two? Right there.
then 1 and 8.
No, wait. Yeah, 1 and 8. We need pieces 1 and 8.
So, how are we gonna do this? Oh, we need to put here?
Yeah. We need-
8 by 2. It won't fit.
Those are too small. Is that piece 8?
Yeah. See?
Is that what shows they look?
Yeah, you see A, that's A, right? See A, 8 by 2. Draw number 8. But the whole,
Wait a minute, it might not be. Wait.
yeah, it's correct, but the holes are small. But you see, no more, it's just 6 pieces.
Oh, no, wait a minute, it's not those screws, it's these screws. The bag number 8.
This is number 8, right? And this is A.
Yeah.
This A. By 2 is 2 pieces. So see, it's the same, but what I mean is their
It's smaller.
hole is small. So how we gonna do this?
I'll have to screw it in.
Yeah, maybe you need to the pliers. You need to turn it. But you see, it's not enough.
I mean, it's supposed to have.
1 to 8. Maybe we
What
don't
does that
need
bag have on the screws? What letter is that? Like it?
letter D.
Can't go like that. It's gotta go like this. Right?
Yeah. Oh, I think there's a screw. Oh, there's a turning. Give me here. Hey, we don't need to put here on the side. That's why it's there. We don't need to put that.
But these do go here in these small holes, right?
Oh, yeah. I mean, we don't need to put here. I saw it. Do you have another screwdriver?
Yeah.
Give me. This big?
That may be too big. I don't know. Is it?
No, it's okay. Just need to make it straight. Yeah.
This is not going straight.
Oh. One more.
Cool.
Okay. What's the next step? That's the next step.
So we gotta find those pieces.
What's number step?
We need pieces B and C. C is those little wooden pegs.
This number.
The pegs.
Oh. B?
And B is those cans. Right there. That's B.
Oh.
And then
Okay.
we need number 4, number 5, and number 6. See, 4 goes here.
Where did I put that?
I don't know.
Oh.
How does it go? Okay.
Yeah. 4.
Oh, it goes on the wooden pegs, huh? Okay. Just tracks we through this.
But we need to put here, right? What's number 7? 5, 5, 6. So how are we gonna put this?
Right.
Like this? No. Oh, maybe like that. Huh? How?
Give me this. Okay. Is that C? No, is that number 5?
Yeah.
I mean. All right, it goes just like.
Oh, there's a hole in it. No.
Yeah. Yeah, those pegs go in those holes, I think. Right?
Oh, maybe here, no?
If I'm looking at it right. Yes.
Or you just put here?
One peg goes in one hole, and then it goes on one of the screws. You see the holes on the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh,
You know what?
get that.
Hey, we put it wrong. I think we need to put here.
No, those holes are too small.
Because you see, it's not aligned. You see? Oh, if you cannot put there. So you want me to like that?
Look at the picture, Maury. It shows you exactly. Look. You've got one of those screws on the outside, and then one of these pegs on the inside.
You see? That's why I told you we put it wrong. This one here and the pegs are here. It's bigger, you see?
You sure?
See?
Yeah, you're right. Okay.
That's why we need to we need to screw. You screw all that. And I screw this. Where's my
I'll get this side. Here. Let's do for you.
But we thought it's too small.
Yeah, where'd that screwdriver go?
It's hard to go.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that long screwdriver when you finish. Unless I got a long one. Let's see. I think this one's too big. Oh yeah, that's way too big.
What's the one you used earlier?
Well, I was using the short one earlier, but I gotta bend over too far if I use that short one.
Oh, then use this. Use the short one. This one?
Yeah.
It's too small.
Is that straight? Yeah, it's straight on.
It's straight. Yeah, it's good. Don't really put it. You do that.
Yeah.
You do that.
I gotta do that. Oh, you can do that one?
Yeah, because you let me do that.
Yeah.
I cannot read it.
Well, here, and then what do we do with this one?
I do this. You do that. My tongue is wet inside. And you're gonna put the pegs.
Is that one straight?
Yeah. Maybe tight a little bit. Yeah, that's straight. You can put the pegs. This one look like that's true. Wow. This one is like crooked.
Take it out and straighten it. It's gotta be straight. Here, use that longer screwdriver.
Yeah, give me that.
Look, grab that one peg over there when you finish.
One more.
Over there.
Okay.
Okay, so now,
Where's the
here's the piece right here. That's 5. Yeah, that's what you need, right?
so like this, right?
Let me see the picture. Yes, like that. This needs to be on the outside. This needs to be on this side if I'm looking at it right. See? Look.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, like this, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's
Now
the
get
other?
piece B. Piece B.
No, we need the other 5 here.
It's not showing this piece yet.
Where's the number 6?
See, 6 goes in the front. Is this 6?
That's the bottom. See, this is the bottom. See, this is the foot.
Okay.
See, there's something in here. Oh.
You must not have the right hose. Flip it.
No, it's the right hole. Okay.
Okay, now we got to fix that piece.
Oh, yeah.
So move this one out of the way, unless you're going to do that piece by yourself.
I'll just maybe I'll do like that. Oh, you need a big.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So they only go in these holes?
Yes,
Well, no, one goes here and a peg goes here, right?
yes. That's what we need to put here. We put at the wrong hole.
See, it's wanting to move. This is not a good idea.
it's not straight on you. I'll just do it.
Is mine straight?
No.
Yeah, it's straight. You want it straight? Look at that. Here, use a longer screwdriver. It's easier.
My back hurts. Oh, that's why they say, you know, go where it's close to, because if we carry it, it might fall apart.
Yeah.
So what you gonna do?
We'll just carry it, move it very carefully. Okay. Now you got. All right. We need another number 4 piece. The 4 piece goes there. Remember?
There's no 4 piece.
Okay. Well, something goes there.
Just one.
No, don't fit. See that?
What? Wait, this one is so big. No more? Tension.
It fit. Where'd it go? Look right there. That's an eyeball.
So, and then we need to put like that. Ah!
No, you don't put it like that.
Oh, we need to flip.
No, one over there.
What's the other one? I have one more.
I don't know where to go.
Oh, here. Oh, this is the one we need to flip.
I guess, yeah.
Can we put it here?
Wait now. Where's piece 7? Where's number 7?
It's there.
Where number 7 goes. Oh, it slides in the slots.
Yeah, but later.
No, it's in this step right here, step 2.
Oh, okay. Shh. Where's the other? We need to put this.
Oh, okay. What goes in these holes here? Oh, the screws, I guess. Line it up. You do it like this, one piece at a time.
Oh, okay.
Am I lined up here? I can't see.
No. Wait a bit.
That's why I say do one piece at there.
Yay!
Now,
Oh.
wait.
Ah, you didn't put a peg over
Yeah,
there.
we're gonna put the table.
Forgot. That's why I think that's the bigger peg.
I don't know.
So lift up a bit. That's letter C?
I don't know.
The pegs?
Yeah. Where's the hose? I can't see. Come around this end and line it up while I hold it.
I cannot see. We need to line this up first. Okay. Oh, okay.
Listen. Solid. Okay.
We need to.
Then you stand it up.
Yes.
What goes in the front here?
This is the drawer.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So we gotta stand it up.
But careful. Ooh, yeah. It's coming. Ah,
Oh, look.
I
See,
know.
this is one that comes apart. Here.
Here.
Okay.
That's why they said.
Yeah. You think we should carry this piece in there now? Or wait?
I don't know.
Look, the piece is bottom there.
Yeah, right. It's like. That's why it says we need to bring it there. Maybe we can just like that, you know.
Okay.
Ooh, like that.
Yeah. Uh-oh. See, every time you move it.
I know. But maybe it will later on if we put.
Yeah, once it's steady, once we get the rest of it together, maybe it'll be all right.
Okay. What's the next one?
Okay, where's the instructions? What you doing? Okay, we got through. Okay, we on step 3, right?
Yeah. Is that the number 1?
No. 13 goes.
Here.
What it showed.
Yeah, you need to help me hold it.
I got it. I got this piece. You slide that in there. And then it shows which piece is 3. That other.
3. There's no number.
Right, number 1 goes on top.
So we need the. Oh, this is wrong one again.
Okay, what do we got to
There's
do?
blue. Oh, I have the one from the chair. I think it's small one. Help me hold that.
said I know it's like this. Didn't I bring some wood glue one time?
Yeah. It's over there. Oh, we can do it?
Yeah. The pegs anyway, you know what I'm saying?
But maybe do it together.
Yeah, maybe it'd be better both sides together.
Just hold it. I'll just maybe do it on the floor. So look, just hold it. But it's cute.
Yeah, it's cute. It's a nice color. I like the color they painted.
Next time you can hear.
That don't look too straight.
It's straight.
Straight.
Can you hear the holder?
Which hole? Smaller hole or bigger hole? Smaller hole. Okay. I got this.
And then what else?
Let's get them started here.
Yeah, it's not really, but
All right, we need 13 and the 2 sevens. 13 goes on the side. Oh, that's not on the side.
I put already the 13 and then 7, 7.